In today's video, we're going to talk about how it takes one video and one only to literally blow up your channel, change your life. Let me explain. So, I'm also growing my Instagram account. I've been trying to grow it for quite some time, and lately I decided to change the way I was posting my reels. So instead of posting 5 to 6 videos per day, I decided to double that amount. So I was posting 12 videos a day for 3 weeks. So in general, if you want to grow your social media channel, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever, you need to test new things all the time. So, especially if it's not like if you don't see the results you would want to see, you need to change things up and see if that helps. So, I did post 12 times a day for 3 weeks. Within that 3 weeks, one video went viral. I had 6.4, I think, million views on that video. And that video helped me gain 1,690 followers within 3 weeks. Actually, within less than that, it was 2 weeks. It did great, and it was just that one video. But the thing is, just imagine if you did the same thing with YouTube. Like if you keep on posting, maybe like increase the way you post. So if you're posting once a week, try to post twice a week and test it out for a month and see how that goes. I would say don't test things if it's less than a month because you probably won't see a big difference. But whether you're trying to change your thumbnails, change the style of your videos, or even change your topic, your niche, um, keep at it for at least a month. Because if not, you won't see any difference and you will want to go back to your old ways and it's not going to help you out. So, whatever you're doing, like if you're posting once a day, try to post twice a day for 30 days and see where that takes you. Because Instagram is great, but I believe YouTube is far superior than Instagram because Instagram videos, let's say, they're going to be pushed for a little bit and then they're just going to, get lost in the matrix, in the algorithm, in the Instagram algorithm. But YouTube videos, especially if you're creating evergreen videos that people are going to search forever, it's going to be helpful to people like forever. Those videos are like, I always like to call those videos, it's like a piece of real estate. Over time they're going to gain more and more values, and you will gain more subscribers, more views. Over time, the views are going to increase. Your videos are not just going to die off. And that's when you can get more money with YouTube if your goal is to get monetized with YouTube. So, YouTube is great because, yes, once you are monetized, and it doesn't take much to get monetized, you will get paid with AdSense, but also you can get brand deals. You can get that with Instagram too. But YouTube is probably, I would say, a better platform for long-term growth and for long-term monetization. With Instagram, you would want to have, for example, a digital product or a service that you're selling, and you have the link in the description or in the bio. But with YouTube, you can also get paid just by viewers, but just by having views with the ads that are showing on your videos. So my point is, don't give up because whatever you're doing is not working now. Change things up and keep at it, because you're probably that one video away from changing your entire life and gaining the subscribers you want to have and getting those views. And the more views you have, the more your videos are going to be pushed to the right audience. And that's how you can literally change the game of YouTube. So keep at it, and your videos, keep in mind one thing: your videos, whatever you're posting on YouTube right now, it doesn't mean that if your video is not being pushed right away when you're posting it, it doesn't mean it can be pushed in a month from now. And I have an example for that. I've got a video that I published a few weeks back, and it had maybe 10 views when I posted it, when I published it. And then I think 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later, it suddenly like gained 1,500 views. I don't know why, but it did. So, and I don't get a lot of views necessarily. My videos take time to get views, but that video like did quite good for my account, for my channel. That is still a very small channel. It did really well in that short amount of time. So what I want to tell you guys is that don't give up, first of all. And whatever you're doing right now, change things up for the next 30 days and see if that helps. So, as I said, whether it's the thumbnails, whether it's your niche, the amount of time you're posting per week or per month, change it up. Change it up, and I guarantee you, you'll see probably like some sort of a change. And take notes of any little change you're seeing. If you're never posting on YouTube Shorts, let's say, maybe try to post one video a day and see if that helps. That helped to grow my account too, my YouTube channel. It helped me to grow a little bit when I was posting more regularly on my shorts. I know everybody's saying it's completely different, long form videos, short form videos are different, but the fact is, people are very interested in still seeing short form videos. And if that helps to grow your channel, why not? You can always change things up. It doesn't mean that you grow your channel with YouTube Shorts, that now that's it. It's a YouTube Shorts channel only. So just, everybody's different. Every channel is different. Every audience is different. So just keep testing things for you, and whatever every guru is saying online might work for them, might not work for you. Maybe your way of doing things is gonna be different and it's gonna work for you, and people are gonna be like, but you're nuts. That's normally not the way you're doing things. For a channel to grow, that's not how you should do things, but maybe it's gonna work for you. So what I want to tell you is that maybe a silly idea for someone else might be the perfect idea for you. And that's all I wanted to say. I hope this was useful. If it was, give me some thumbs up. Don't hesitate to share this video with someone who could benefit from that advice, whatever I said. And I'll see you on the next video for a new tip about YouTube growth and monetizing your YouTube channel. See you guys.